Since the standard WizzyBug does not allow for positioning the joystick in the center line of the chair, Active Healthcare Solutions has created the WizzyBug Joystick Center Mount with optional lap tray. To install the WizzyBug Joystick Center Mount, remove the seat from the WizzyBug and slide the receiver into the slot in the front of the chair. Simply tighten the screws in the bottom and then replace the seat. Now slide the post into the receiver, lining up the pin, and lock it down. The pommel can be placed on before you slide the post into the receiver. By rotating the T-bar, you can adjust it so that it is either closer to or further away from the child. The T-bar can then be locked down with an Allen wrench to securely keep it in place. The optional joystick can be placed anywhere laterally along the T-bar. It can be placed on the left side or the right side. The joystick can be positioned so that the stick itself is towards the child or away from the child. If you position it towards the child, it is actually reversed and you will have to reprogram the joystick. The optional lap tray comes in two halves, left and right. It can be placed over the T-bar and locked in place. The padding for the lap tray is removable, and there's Velcro holding the padding on, which can also be used to hold buttons or, say, a Muzi joystick if that is the way the child drives the chair. Components included in the WizzyBug Center Mount joystick are the receiver that slides into the slot in front of the seat, the post and locking ring, which allows for height adjustment and rotational locking, as well as the adjustable T-bar itself and the pommel. Optional components are the secondary joystick, available in low force or standard, and the lap tray itself with the removable padding. We think the Joystick Center Mount is a robust and versatile addition, making the WizzyBug even more beneficial for young children. We'd love to hear from you at Active Healthcare Solutions. Send us an email or visit our website. Thanks for watching.